Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 7th of June, 2023. We're here to talk about Binance today because if you guys know, they've already been in the news. Binance as well as Coinbase, the SEC is coming after those two entities. They're trying to collapse or shut down or at least penalize them for securities exchange violations. Now, if you guys can put in Google search right here, okay? All you got to put in is SEC freeze Binance assets. They're requesting for an emergency order to freeze Binance US assets, not the Binance exchange as a whole, the ones that's located in the jurisdiction of the United States. They're asking for an emergency order. So if you're someone who has cryptocurrencies based on the exchange in Binance USA, you might want to let it go. You might want to go ahead and take it off that exchange, because if there's a freeze, then that means that you won't be able to get your cryptocurrencies out of the market. Now, obviously, that will impact Binance, the currency, BNB. But should we say that we're surprised to see the market in Binance go down? No, we should not. If you saw my last video in Binance on May the 9th, I told you all that I was expecting the market in Binance to go down anyway. So for this market to actually go lower, we're not surprised. But where is it going to go now? So let's go ahead and break down this video real quick, because obviously if the SEC is trying to freeze the assets of Binance USA, is it going to have reverberations across Binance as a whole? Probably not, because SEC doesn't have jurisdiction outside of the United States. But let's talk about this price action, because you guys can now tell that Binance has broken our ascending line, which we've created. So let's go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction first. If you guys were to get out on the 5th of June, congratulations, because that's 8.37%. If we were to get out the market now in Binance, check this out, 13.72%. Congratulations. That's what we do here. We anticipate where prices are going to go so that we can capitalize off of the price action. Okay. So now, zooming back out, you can tell that the market has broken our trend line, our ascending line into the market, or maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't. Let me show you something. Let me bring this ascending line down a little bit further. This could be the trend into the market in Binance as well. Yes, could be. But all in all, once I show you this, I want to show you how the price action in Binance ever since May of 2022, a year ago, 365 days, the price action in Binance hasn't done anything except consolidate. Take a look, it's right there. So this market hasn't trended higher, it hasn't trended lower, it's just trading. Is this where the market is accumulating more Binance because they're expecting in the long-term price to break out? Or is this the market in Binance selling because they know that the price in Binance is going to go lower? Either or. Which one do you think it is? Do you even think that we're through with Binance going lower? Let's take a look at the charts. So real quick, let's look at Binance on the 2-day chart and zoom in on the market. You guys can obviously tell right here that we got that indicator push to go down, which literally lets us know that the overall direction, the weight of the market is lower. So we need to be thinking more bearish than we should be thinking bullish. And then here it is on this current 2-day price bar. We're definitely still seeing sellers in the market in Binance. Now check this out though. Back here in the market in Binance, we saw buyers. Okay. That is why the market in Binance currently is bouncing off of that area, $272, $270. We may see the market in Binance bounce from here. Maybe not. Let's look at this on the 3-day chart then. Let's figure that out. Because here, even on the 2-day, we're getting another indicator of weakness in Binance. Market's trying to go lower, which would inevitably put this $270 area at jeopardy of being broken to the downside. The next logical area would be around 260. That's another area that we can definitely see buyers in the market. I would really like to see the buyers hit that 260 and confirm the market support there and then begin to go higher. I definitely like that 260 better than I like that 270. Here it is on the 5. Okay, here it is. We got 2 days and 14 hours left, so about 13 days. And 3 days. And we still have another indicator. So we're getting an indicator on the 2-day chart, the 3-day chart, even here on the 5-day chart, consecutive. Here it is on the weekly right now. 2 weeks, 3 and 5 weeks in the monthly. So the environment right now in Binance is not bullish. It's not strong. A lot of people will have questions inevitably concerning what's going on with their particular business and the SEC suing them, Binance USA. So I think there's going to be a couple more days of some volatility, prices going lower. The sooner we do find buyers, the better. Price is going to maintain this consolidational trend range, which we identified. The longer that it takes, we're going to hit this trend line and even possibly come all the way back down to 240. So we need to be prepared for these things. Okay, so considering what we've seen on the 2-day time frame, the 3, the 5, we need to anticipate that the market is still reflecting weakness. So real quick, let me hit this on the daily chart, and we're going to go ahead and place some weakness into the market in Binance still. Okay, now I'm going to do 270 as my first target. So bring this up to around 270. That gives us 1%, a measly 1% for us to see the market in Binance hit 270. Okay. Now I told you I really would like to see the market buyers hold 260. That's going to be my second target, 4.66%. And then my third target, so let me revise this. My first target is going to be 260. My second target is going to be 245. Okay, that's 10.16%. And then my third target is going to be 240. This is around 12% there. Okay, now we're going to look for the market to go, or at least have a better probability or a chance to go lower, as long as Binance price stays below 300. Okay, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Leave me a comment below and give me your price prediction. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.